Well, hello and welcome to another video. As you can see from the start of it, I've scrambled up Skyline Road, which is just behind Scamander, so I'm not very far from home, but I'm way up high in the bush, just bush camping. Got a bit sick of camping in normal campgrounds. Trouble with the ones down the coast is you can only take firewood and have fire pits, and sometimes the fires aren't big enough, so come up here I can get a nice fire going if I clear a nice area. So anyway, it's really nice up here. I've got a great view down to the ocean, and the wind's calm, a little bit breezy, a bit overcast, but I don't think I'll get any rain. So anyway, we'll get camp set up and we'll get a fire going and we'll just enjoy the afternoon. I'm actually not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to hang around camp and relax. And down through the trees down there, you might be able to hear it on the microphone, maybe not, is the ocean and the beach. Just a lovely view. I was thinking about camping up there, but I really couldn't find a flat spot up there, so this spot here was as flat as I could get. I've had to dig a hole for the trailer, but I didn't want to go too far in because I've got to get the trailer out in the morning. So anyway, we'll think about that tomorrow morning. I had no trouble getting in here, I'll have no trouble getting out. Okay, what have we got here? At 9:15 at night. I've had everything done. Dinner, cuppa, shower. I'm off to bed. Been a long day, so nice and relaxing. So anyway, I'll see you in the morning. Well, there we go. Camp is all packed up now. I was able to back my trailer out. I was a bit worried that I might not be able to back it up the hill, but all we've got to do is get down to the road and out and homeward bound. So anyway, that's it for this video. And my next video, I actually will be back in Victoria again because I'm heading up to pick up our caravan and bring our caravan down here. So then I'll have the camper trailer and the caravan, and I'll be able to do a few trips away with my wife and my pooch. So yes, I will be up in Wimmera, hopefully get the Mount Difficult walk done, and maybe have a look at Mount Arapiles as well. So if you like these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell so you can get notified when I put up a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.